Hello YouTube, this is the HVAC Budgeteer, just bringing you tonight the Leatherman Squirt ES4. What is special about this is that this is an Electrician's model multi-tool. You can see that it comes with 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20 is what's listed. That is what's listed on both sides for the wire stripping capabilities. Let's look at the tools in the handles first. This again is a very small and compact multi-tool. Comparing that to the Leatherman Sidekick, you can see in comparison this is very small tool. So I was pretty excited to get this in the Electrician's model. It does come with scissors. Nice little pair of scissors there. It does also come on the other side with a small screwdriver. I find this screwdriver really useful in removing thermostat screws when you can't find a screwdriver small enough. You can just pick this up. So that is one useful tool there. We also find on the other side a straight edge, and then also looks like a can opener perhaps. Then we find again the file and the knife blade. This knife blade is really nice and sharp. This multi-tool I found on eBay, I believe for about $25. They're still fairly expensive used, and so this did have some wear and tear on it, but the knife is still sharp. And the wire strippers do work. They don't work that well. I was a little disappointed. I'd heard some pretty good reviews on it, but I just find that these wire strippers don't cut that great. I want to point out another issue that I haven't heard anyone else mention, but if you were to use these wire strippers as your daily micro tool just to sort of lighten your tool bag, one of the things you'll notice is these cutters at the bottom will not open wide enough. You can see it just gets stuck right there. There's no way that this can really do a full-size job. I was really hoping I could minimize my tool load and use this little micro tool, but it just is too small for the job, unfortunately. I wish they had come up with another design or a way to open the jaws up a little wider. You'll see again, bringing over the Leatherman Sidekick, how you can easily get that wire in there, and then you can use the pliers, the jaws there to cut around and cut the cord there. But with these, with the Leatherman Squirt, it's just, there is no way you're going to do that. So it does work for smaller tasks. Even on a solid wire, it does cut fairly well. So it does do a fairly good job with that. Again, if you get some thermostat wire, again, it's just tough. These cutters just don't work that great. I guess if you get it in just the right spot, maybe. But what I find is sometimes they just sort of mash it. That's not doing too bad a job right there, but it just really doesn't seem up to the job for large jobs. So, but it is a neat tool to throw in your bag or to have on hand if you have to strip some wires. It does work for smaller wires. So I did want to compare this to another Leatherman tool, the Leatherman Micra, and this one I actually use a lot more. They're fairly similar in size, but I found myself using the scissors a lot more. These are a nice, fairly full-size pair of scissors. And this Micra does come with tweezers. It comes with a screwdriver, a blade with several tools on it there. And then on the other side, you'll find the knife and a file, and then in the middle there is also another screwdriver as well, a flat edge. So that does come with several tools there. So the Micra I actually find more useful in everyday activities. Leatherman Squirt, again, I was really hoping to find an electrician's multi-tool that I could use. I wish Leatherman had come out with a full-size model of this. That would have been perfect, as long as it was affordable enough. But unfortunately, this is not exactly what I'm looking for, so I will have to keep hunting. All right, thank you very much. Bye now.